Did you know there's a bird in India so rare it dances in the monsoon? But this year, not even a single chick was born. This isn't fiction. It's the heartbreaking story of the Lesser Florican, a tiny bustard once widespread, now barely surviving. But conservationists in Gujarat are trying something wildly creative. That is the scented decoys. Let's explore how India is trying to save this vanishing species using a mix of love, science, and hope. Greetings aspirants, welcome to CivicCentre-IAS. First, let's see what are these Lesser Floricans. The Lesser Floricans with the scientific name Siphiotidus indica is the world's smallest bustard. It's known for its stunning courtship dance during the monsoon where it jumps up and down like popcorn in tall grasses. But today, only fewer than 900 individuals remain, mainly in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It's listed as critically endangered by the IUCN and protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Let's understand what are the reasons for their population decline. Firstly, it is the habitat loss due to intensive agriculture. Secondly, it is due to the disruption of monsoon cycles due to climate change. Thirdly, overutilization of pesticides and fencing. And lastly, lack of secure breeding grounds. In 2024, there was a huge blow. No recorded breeding activity, zero chicks were hatched. It was a red alert moment for the conservationists. So this year, they've gone very innovative and emotional. They have deployed scented decoys, that means fake female floricans sprayed with synthetic hormone compounds. And why? To stimulate the remaining males' courtship drive and get them back to dancing, pairing, and hopefully breeding. It's part of the species recovery pilot funded by the conservationists in the Gujarat with the help of Bombay Natural History Society. Scientists used pheromone-based attractants derived from earlier breeding samples. They've also deployed camera traps and acoustic sensors to detect calls and displays of dances. If successful, it will be one of the India's first examples of behavioral ecology applied at a scale of bird conservation. This is not just about one bird. This is about policy, innovation and ethics. It is important for us to know that the Lesser Florican breeds in semi-arid grasslands, which is a neglected ecosystem in India's conservation policies. Also, most protected areas focus on forests and tigers. Species like floricans fall through the cracks. The ethical dilemma involved here is it right to create synthetic signals to make wildlife behave in a certain way? This becomes part of conservation ethics. So what can be done about this? 1. We can declare florican conservation reserves in grassland zones. 2. We can promote agri-biodiversity corridors with farmer-led eco-rewards. 3. We can integrate grassland protection into national biodiversity action plans. And 4, promotion of citizen science, that is the birders can help us monitor movements and calls of these birds. Remember, the Lesser Florican is an indicator species. That means it indicates the health of the whole ecosystem. If it vanishes, it signals the death of the whole ecosystem. Floricans don't roar. They leap silently. If we miss their call, we lose not just a bird, but a story, a dance, and a legacy. So let's not wait for the silence. Let's study, write, and act. Jai Hind.